Now, how can you change the gallery or arrange the gallery in your iPhone? Let's get started. So, as you probably know, if you get inside of the gallery like that, you can browse your photos in the order which they have been taken. So it's pretty simple. It's usually a good thing to do, but you also have one button for it, which looks like the double arrow. So when you click on it, it gives you some additional options. So this gives you the filtering possibility of sorting it by recently added or by the date captured, right? So there is a slight difference. I usually explain it in an example that somebody might share a photo with you from like using AirDrop from a different phone, and the photo has been captured like a month ago. So should it appear in your gallery as the latest photo because it's been received the latest, or should it be sorted by the time it was taken by that other person, which is a month ago? Should it appear there in your gallery, right? So this is the distinction right here, and this is what you get to pick between. But if you want to just really get a custom order of the photos right here and reorganize them as much as you like, for that, you will need to use the albums feature. So albums naturally can be created on your like inside of the Photos app, and into an album you can import as many photos and videos as you wish. The cool thing about that is that you can just grab individual photos and move them around, organize it as much as you like, and end up with the perfect sorting. So this is very useful for situations where you want to have some specific photos put together and you also want to customize them there. So I believe it makes sense. I think that this is a great feature that you cannot do it in the main view because it would get really confusing, and you can still organize them and arrange them using the albums. So that's how it works. Let me know below in the comments if you're happy with the way it works in iOS. Subscribe for more tutorials and explanations like this one, and I will catch you later in the future videos.